Hello guys, welcome to the video. In this video I'm going to show you how to check your Facebook page quality. So first you need to switch from your Facebook profile to your Facebook page. So here I have already switched from my Facebook profile to my Facebook page. So for that you need to click on your profile icon on the top right side, then you can see switch button here. So then you can switch to your Facebook page. So I have already switched to my Facebook page. Then again click on your profile icon. Here you can see settings and privacy. Click on that. Then again click on settings. Then here you can see new page experience. Click on that. Then you can see here page quality. Click on that. Okay, alright. Here you can see page quality. In my one, page has no issues. So if you have any community stand violation, you can see it. That's how you can find your page quality. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, comment below and hit the subscribe button.